Yvonne, you are here with Paul. You picked Paul for your staff appreciation. Why did you choose Paul?
Because it seems like the hardest thing and everybody loves it. So we thought that our staff would love it too.
Do they love it?
They actually do. They really do.
And you have the shrimp chicken